I
Which case are
understand
you
that.
on today?
Mallory Jackson.
Mallory Jackson, please. Step forward. Mallory Jackson.
What kind of piece is that? Where's Ashley, by the way?
Okay,
oh,
Mallory
never mind.
Jackson.
Yeah, I forgot.
Page 7.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Jackson, you've got multiple traffic cases here, 6 cases, except
Could you get
number
your
4 is
silver
not
envelope for me,
traffic.
please?
Those are all warrants for your arrest. The total is 20,000, no, 10,000.
It's so funny, literally. Just pulled out one. It's updating it on the CEO. All the judge knows.
Okay. Ma'am, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Tell me your name.
Sabrina Roper.
You put your hand down.
Oh,
Now,
okay.
how do you know Mallory Jackson?
That's my fiance and the father of my kids.
Really?
Yes.
I have to tell you now, you have 2 of probably the most adorable, cute kids I've seen in a long time.
Oh, thank you.
I mean,
Well behaved.
well behaved. You're going to get a gold star before you get out of here, all right?
Thank you.
All right. Now, he's got these traffic matters here that, I don't want to take care of him because I know that they'll really mess his license up for sure if we do it. But
Where is he?
let me look here. Ma'am, it looks like he didn't show up in court on
What's the case before and after?
January.
Yeah, that's the thing, Your Honor. He was incarcerated. He was
see
in
it.
prison.
Oh, really?
At the time, yeah. And he just got released in September. He was
Yeah, but
incarcerated since
these were
November.
for Jan. Oh, you're right. You know what? You're right.
Let me see your document, please.
You are absolutely right.
Thank you.
You say it looks like he was.
One moment, Judge.
These go back to January 3rd of 2014.
Okay.
When did he get out of prison, ma'am?
September the 20th?
Of last year, 14?
Yes, 2014.
Okay, and when did he go into prison?
November, like the middle of November.
Okay, let me ask you this. Is he going to be living at 74th Avenue?
Yes,
See
women.
this case?
Don't say the number, but that's where he's going to live?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, State, I'd just soon release him. Ma'am, I'm going to do this. I'm going to release him on all the
Hold on a
charges, just to
second.
make sure he comes back to court, all right?
Okay, thank you so
I'm
much.
going to give
Your
you,
Honor.
I don't know if I have a copy of his
I'm
driving
relaxed. You're
record.
the one raising your voice at me.
See what I have here? Okay. Now, may I give you some good advice? And Mallory,
They didn't give me
you try to
paperwork.
pay off these tickets and it can cause his license to be revoked for a long time.
Give me
You may want to talk to a ticket lawyer. You got all, ticket lawyers and all these places. Let them talk to
Yes,
them,
sir.
because if you try to work it out yourself, it can cause him to lose his license again for 5 years.
Oh,
So you don't want to fall
Wow.
into that trap, all right?
okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
I really appreciate
no
it, sir.
problem. I'm going to give you a copy of the driving records you can take with you, all right?
All right.
All right. Thank you so much.
Now, may I just meet the kids real quick?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, you may.
He wasn't asking. So.
Hey, they're so cute, I just need to say hello.
Say hi, this is Anaya.
Hi, Naya.
Here you go, Cuba.
Sorry about that.
You know she's not a funny baby.
Well, she's now.
Wow. She don't go to everybody.
No, God got me out. I ain't did nothing wrong in the first place.
Talia.
Nice to meet you. Okay, now, I wish you the best.
Thank you so much. All right.
Oh, here's the driving record.
Oh, yes. All right.
Good luck.
Thank you. All right. Have a nice one.
All right. Sorry about that little interlude there, but the kids were so cute, I had to say hello, all right? She wants to say hi to you. Okay. Okay, what about, may I see Christopher White, please?
Still on
Med
loan.
loan, Judge.
Okay, let's reset it for Friday afternoon. Thank you.
Say thank you.
Kendrade Richmond.
Paul Raines. Paul Raines.
Sir, hello, ma'am.
Paul Raines, Your Honor.
Ma'am, you've been charged with petty theft. The court finds probable cause. Go ahead. sir.
Judge, in this
Yes, sir, go ahead.
Judge, in this instance, I had an opportunity to read the probable cause affidavit. It involves a cab fare. I mean, she had $40, and I think, you know, it doesn't say that she ran away.
You know what?
I mean, she went to go to her.
I agree with you. It doesn't look like a run-of-the-mill where people try to get a free cab ride. This one looks like, you know.
Cost more
face
than
of it,
she
like-
thought, you know.
Yeah, I'm not, look, we see enough of these cab fare cases where we know people are, you know, some are up to no good. This one does not appear on the face of it to be that way. State, does she have any
You should have
questions?
used Uber.
Yeah. I'm going to release her on her own recognizance, all right? Ma'am, ma'am, I'm going to release you, all right?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, thank you. Yes, ma'am. Great. It did not, she was short money. It wasn't like she was trying to stiff the guy. All right. Diamond Williams.
Get up, man.
Ms. Williams, ma'am, you've been charged with possessing marijuana, drug paraphernalia, driving without a driver's license, ma'am.
Your bond is $1,000. Can you afford it?
Okay. There is no driver's license for this.
You have
Do you have any
$1,000.
priors on our state? Ma'am, Miss Williams, do you still live on Sable Palm Drive?
Pending case.
Yeah.
Prior
Okay.
felonies.
How long have you lived there, ma'am?
That's what priors are.
4 years.
Okay, I'm going to release you today on your own recognizance, all right? Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Amber Smith.
North Broward.
North Broward.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hi, Miss Smith. Ma'am, you've been charged with aggravated battery and leaving the scene of a crash. The court finds probable cause, ma'am. Miss Smith, how long have you lived in South Florida?
All my life. I've lived at 13400
No,
Sterling Road.
Stop.
All my life, same house in Florida.
We just don't like women to say their address. This goes out over the internet.
I'm
all right?
She
sorry.
wasn't
No,
available when
yeah.
I tried to
All
call.
my life.
She wasn't.
Okay, so,
I'm a Floridian, yeah.
okay, ma'am. Now, do you have are you currently employed?
I'm not currently employed because I'm dating my boss, who I was employed by. That's what I'm going to be honest with you.
That's an interesting scenario we
Yeah.
have here. All right.
So I left work about 2 months ago.
What type of work are
and
you
then
doing, ma'am?
Right now, like, to hurry it up because I didn't graduate school, I waitress
ma'am,
in between.
what type of work do you do?
Right now, I just waitress till I finish my school.
Got it. Okay. Do you have any money in the bank, ma'am?
I do not. I called my mother, and I know it would be a $500 bond, but she doesn't have it. I'm gonna be stuck in here. And Hurley, I
Ma'am.
just wanted to ask you,
Go ahead.
Your Honor, about that bond. Is there any way we could maybe lower it a little bit or something? Because I'm on medication. I need to be home to take.
Yes, ma'am. Do you have children, ma'am?
I have one child.
How old
I
is
have
the
my
child?
mother. He's 9.
And does he live with you?
Yes, me and my mom.
Okay.
She's taking the burden on.
She does have prior.
Does she have priors? Go ahead.
2012.
Yeah, I have.
Ma'am, just hold on. All right? Okay.
2012 delivery of hydromorphone.
What's the number to the
2009
door?
possession of oxycodone, alprazolam, methadone, hydromorphone. 2010 possession of prescription medication without a prescription. 2006 possession of marijuana.
What was the
And Your
2009?
Honor, I want
Oxy,
you to
meth, and
know-
what else?
Don't say
Oxy,
anything, ma'am. Just don't say
alprazolam,
anything, please.
methadone, hydromorphone.
You're not helping yourself.
I haven't. I'm wanting to tell you I'm clean, Your Honor, that I don't use drugs. That's what I want to tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
And it appears, according to this, and this is according to what she was telling the police, that it started because
He hit
He was
me
gonna
and
go-
then I hit him.
Ma'am,
Did you not hear the part about don't
don't say
speak,
anything, ma'am.
please?
Please don't say
Not
anything.
for tonight.
he was going to give her $15 for her medication.
Tomorrow, this morning. Exactly.
Ma'am, I'm going to reduce your bond to $2,500 today, ma'am. Count one.
Okay.
I'm going to order that you have no contact, directly or indirectly, with Dario Veloso. Do not call him, do not
Okay.
text him, do not email him. Stay 500
Okay.
feet from him and all of
Okay.
his property.
What's
All right,
crazy
ma'am?
about it
Thank
last
you.
night?
Sure, thank you.
Tiffany Spivey, Lydia Harris.
Spivey, sit down the phone. North Broward, Your Honor.
Okay.
Who's
Hello, Miss Spivey. Ma'am, you've been charged with possessing cocaine, heroin, marijuana, drug paraphernalia, and a traffic violation, ma'am. She has an open case right now.
Correct.
And what was the case for?
That's
Is it
sure-
drugs? I revoked a bond on her.
Oh, okay. What's her BCCN number, Judge?
It is 849473.
So I probably passed it along yesterday. Yeah, her pending case is. Oh, shoot.
Possession of methamphetamine.
There you go. Possession of methamphetamine.
Ma'am, your bond today will be $2,200. The court has revoked your bond on the open felony drug case. You're going to be held without bond on that case, ma'am. Thank you. Missy Lydia Harris.
She's on loan.
Medical loan.
Okay, let's set this for Friday PM. You see Thomas, you know what, we're gonna skip Lovell, we're gonna skip Wilson for the time being. And we'll call him up in a few minutes. How about Brian Esbute, Kenny Brown, and Jalil Chip? Okay, Mr. Esbute, so you're charged with trespassing. What finds probable cause, sir? Racetrack gas station. Okay, would you like to resolve your case today, sir? Plead no contest. Case is over.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you understand, sir? You're not allowed to go back to that racetrack, all right?
All right.
All right, how do you plead to this
All right.
charge?
There's no contest. No contest.
Okay, do you understand? We're not going to have a trial. You're not going to have an attorney appointed, and the case will be over with today. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay, I'll accept your plea. I'll withhold adjudication. Thank you. How about Kenny Brown?
I mean, get out.
Kenny Brown.
North Broward. North Broward, Your Honor.
Hello, Mr. Brown. You've been charged with trespassing.
Go outside, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finds probable cause.
Go outside and see.
Yes, sir.
Drinking a beer on the property. Sir, would you like to resolve this case today? Plead no contest.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
We're not going to have a trial. We're not going to appoint an attorney. You're not going to have your day in court. It's over with right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how do you plead, sir?
No contest.
I'll withhold adjudication. Thank you.
Hey,
I see Jalil Chip.
Conti, Your Honor.
Oh, you know, Kiefer,
Mr. Chip, probation violation.
Yes.
That is on a burglary. You're going to be held no bond. You'll see your judge on the 24th. Thank you. James Brooks. Mr. Brooks, you're here for possessing cocaine. Court finds probable cause. Do we have any priors on this gentleman?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Brooks, are you working at this time, sir?
Yes, sir.
What type of work is that?
I do Florida pest control, extermination.
You do what? What's the last thing you do?
Extermination.
Okay.
Florida pest control.
All right, I understand.
Possession of alprazolam 07. Possession of cocaine with intent to sell or distribute 03.
Sir, where'd you grow up? Here in Fort Lauderdale?
Yes, sir.
Where'd you go to high school?
South Plantation.
Okay. I'm going to release you on your own recognizance tomorrow morning. I want you to be at pretrial release right across the street from where you are. They'll give you a map right there. You're going to have a drug and alcohol evaluation, all right?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Now see Daryl Johnson, Joshua Hatton, and Detroit Pope. Please line up. Daryl Johnson?
Yes, sir.
Sir, possessing cocaine. The court finds probable cause. State, Daryl Johnson, does he have priors? He's been known as Robert Smith, Alvin Goodman, Lawrence Hamster.
No.
Go ahead.
No.
2012 theft. 2011 felony possession of marijuana. 2010 misdemeanor possession of marijuana. 01 delivery of cocaine, 10-year state prison. 01 possession of cocaine, 5-year state prison. 2000 possession of cocaine and marijuana with intent, 5 years.
Hold on. Working right now, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, sir.
What type of work do you do?
I work for Crossroads, tree trimming and lawn service.
Do you still live on 39th Avenue?
Yes, sir. I've been there since 1969.
Is there an apartment or is that a house?
That's a family home.
Okay, I'm going to release you on your own recognizance. You have to go to pretrial release tomorrow between 8 and noon,
Yes, sir.
all right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How about Joshua Hatton?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hatton, possession of cocaine, cannabis, and paraphernalia. The court finds probable cause, sir. Do we, any priors on this gentleman?
You own any
Mr.
property back?
Hatton,
I have.
you live on, you live on Siesta Key, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Is there a unit number there?
3334.
Okay. How long have you lived here in South Florida?
About 4 years.
Are you currently employed?
Yes.
Okay,
I got it.
go ahead.
One moment, Judge. I'm going back to today.
Ninth grade address, so we gave the phone number. What is the straightforward legal name?
Nothing.
Okay, sir, I'm going to release you on your own recognizance. You have to go to pretrial release tomorrow between 8 and noon, all right? Look
Thank
at your
you,
map
sir.
right there. Thank you. How about Detroit
Okay.
Pope? Mr. Pope, violating community control, two counts, no bond. You have a misdemeanor warrant for $250. Thank you, sir.
I want to go to court, sir.
Excuse me?
23rd and the 26th.
The 23rd and on the 26th. Thank you. How about James Wright, Aaron Mesher, Atmi Rizvani? James Wright, sir, grand theft auto, resisting arrest. Finds probable cause. Do we have any priors on Mr. James Wright?
I'm sorry? We have $3,625 downstairs to find out. I'll get the paperwork on.
Are you working right now, Mr. Wright?
Yes, sir.
What type of work do you do?
I work at Burger King, sir. Crew member, sir.
How long have you been down here in South Florida?
All my life, sir.
Where'd you go to high school?
So I went to Maddox High, sir, and I go to Flagler High, sir.
Got it. Okay.
2012, he had a burglary dwelling occupied with a battery. He also had another battery, burglary with assault, 2012.
If you were running out, you would.
Okay, sir, I'm going to let you bond out today. Your bond's $1,000 based on the facts of the case, your criminal record. Thank you. May I see Aaron Mesher?
Mental problem?
Mr. Mesher, selling methamphetamines, license suspended. Court finds probable cause. Excuse me.
What, federal? Yeah. Looks like out of 2 different states, right? Ohio and Florida.
Hold on. Let me just take another look here. Okay. I got it. Okay. State, do you have any priors on Mr. Mesher?
Your Honor, 2004, he was convicted of federal charge conspiracy conspiracy to commit fraud. Sentenced to 33 months, followed by 3 years supervised release. Additionally, out of Indiana from 2004, fraud on financial institution. End of record.
Got it.
Judge, Mr. Mesher informed me that he never violated probation when he was on probation.
I understand.
Oh, sir.
Mr. Mesher, are you currently employed?
Yes, I am.
What type of work do you do?
A doorman security at a nightclub.
Do you have any money in the bank?
I do.
Okay. How long have you been down here in South Florida?
A little over a year.
Okay.
Previously went to prison on federal charge. And
Yeah,
I think
I got a feeling this is personal use. So I'm gonna release you on your own recognizance day. You have to get a pretrial release.
Thank you.
Okay, I have the feeling, I hope I'm right, that this was personal use. You don't need to say anything, but don't say anything.
Yep.
But that's why I'm doing this, because I think it's personal use. I didn't think you were in the transactional business, but that being said, I want to see you get some help. So I'm going to order a drug and alcohol evaluation for you, all right, sir?
All right, thank you.
You have to report there tomorrow between 8 and noon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Anthony McLeod. Grand theft auto, resisting arrest, and no driver's license, sir. Just give me a moment, Mr. McLeod.
Yes, sir.
He's going to get ad charged. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what for. Let me hear him out.
Hey, Nelson, how are you? How you doing? Good. And Nelson is our resident expert in everything electric in the building, right?
well, we could use it.
He's our electric. Can you tell us why our lights flash in here, Nelson?
Can I fix it out?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
I mean, unless.
kind of someone sitting there.
Did you see that, or was it my imagination?
No, it is, yeah.
Okay.
10 minutes. 6 minutes. What about? Yeah? Okay.
Okay, thanks, Nelson. Yeah, I mean, if you told me it really wasn't flashing, I'd start worried, but okay. I see this defendant doesn't have a driver's license. He has multiple failures to appear. Sir, Mr. McLeod, I'm going to set your bond at $1,000 today, and I understand you're going to be ad charged, and you'll probably be on tomorrow's docket, all right? Thank you. How about,
Well, Judge, he informed me he's never been in trouble before. He works as a cashier at McDonald's. First time he was arrested. He's in Ely High School in the 11th grade.
Pause.
He might mean as an adult, which he's been an
He's got
adult
open
for
juries.
almost
He's got open,
4
open
months.
juries.
Judy's right now that's going to be added tomorrow. So that's all I can tell you, all right? But I'm going to leave your bond at $1,000. I think we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Atmi Rizvani. Mr. Rizvani, come on up, sir. Tampering with evidence, resisting arrest. Finds probable cause, sir. And
Boss, did you hear me? He has a private.
He has a private.
I'm not going to be here now.
Did you hire him?
How many cars in this guy? Thank you. I don't understand.
okay, now, the state. I'm going to find probable cause. Does this defendant have any?
No, Judge.
No. Sir, Rizvani, how long have you lived down here in South Florida?
Here, I'll forward you.
9 years.
Do you still live on 21st Court?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to release you to pretrial release. You need to be there tomorrow between 8 and noon, all right?
Good.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, then we've got to get our city prosecutor in here too. Got it. Michael McCloskey, Richard Villelakemp, and Nicholas Brantley. Michael McCloskey.
Yes, sir.
Sir, court finds probable cause to selling a methamphetamine, possession of methamphetamine, and you're the third defendant to be picked up in this same incident. Go ahead. State, do you have any priors?
One moment, Your Honor. Yes, I'll do them right now.
Anything you want to say on behalf of this defendant, sir?
Yes, Judge. He works at Steel Gym. He's been working there for 2 months. He lives in Wilton Manors. He's been living there for 8 years. He doesn't own any property. He has no money in the bank. He needs access to his phone and property in order to contact people if the court were to set a reasonable bond to bond out.
Go ahead.
He went through drug court in 08 for possession of cocaine. Patrice, did you have anything else?
Okay. Sir, this court's going to let you bond out today, $2,500 plus $1,000. It does appear you are a dealer in methamphetamine. It does say you sold 3.5 grams of field-tested crystal meth to a confidential informant for $400. The court's concerned about the safety of the community. The facts of the case, you can bond out. Thank you. How about
Judge,
Richard?
could you sign an order for him to have access to his phone?
Absolutely. This
for
defendant may have
purposes of bond?
access to contact somebody to help bond him out. Thank you.
Thank you.
Richard Camp. Sir, operating a motorcycle without a license. Hold on, sir. He doesn't have one. He has an ID card. So technically that is a... he's on probation for a burglary.
We do or don't? Print out the SCIC form, please. I'm still not getting anything, and I checked under Pereira.
I got something. I got Pereira, but it came out.
Yeah.
Who's his judge? Do we know?
One moment. Wait, one moment, Judge.
Oh, was it going to bother you?
Yes, to get here. We're on that.
Nelson, how long would it take you think, to...
6 minutes.
Can you scoot for 6 minutes? Or?
Judge Bober.
Bober? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to find no probable causes to count 1. There's nothing in the report that said you were actually driving. And I'm going to release you on your own recognizance on count 2. Now, do I think that they could prove you're driving at another hearing? Probably, but for today, I don't think it's enough. So, count 1.
Wow.
No.
I would also note for the record, Your Honor, that there is a citation attached, and I believe that would satisfy.
Yeah. No. Sure. So. I'm going to release you on your own recognizance on both counts. And I'm going to remind you have to be in court next Tuesday at 9 o'clock in the morning in front of Judge Bober. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Except I
thank
don't
you.
even have a source.
Thank you.
Open middle, outside.
There you go. Nicholas.
Check.
There you go, Nicholas Brantley.
Yes, sir.
Sir, possession with intent to sell, deliver cocaine, possession of cannabis, possession of a controlled substance, no driver's license. Sir, you're busted. You'll be out of jail shortly. Thank you.
Thank you,
Cause
sir.
is found.
Thank you.
Do you want to take my seat over here? Okay. Sam Matthews and Derek Thompson.
Sam Matthews, medical reset, Judge.
We're gonna. Does Matthews have any open cases right now, State?
Check. Nothing in Broward under this name.
He's got a an open, well, he's got a DUI suspension that just ran out from Dade County. He's revoked for 5 years from 2014 for DUI.
Your Honor, I mean, technically, Your Honor is within your authority to put a hold on him.
I can do, well, I can do it without prejudice too.
Well, Judge,
Well, no,
can we just
obviously he's entitled
reset it
to-
for him to be here?
Sure, I understand that. Well, I'm going to reset it, but I don't think the court is handcuffed or prohibited from adjusting bonds today without prejudice until we see him, just based on what we have in front of us. I mean, we have a man who's been convicted of leaving the scene of an accident, DUI in 2009, DUI in 2014 out of Dade County. He's driving on a 5-year DUI revocation right now, and a refusal to submit suspension. And now he picks up another DUI here in Broward County.
And Your Honor,
I do understand, Judge, but he has a right to be here. It is a critical stage of the proceedings.
Well, Your Honor,
we do agree he has a right to be here, but he's not here. So while he's in custody, the court has to be concerned about the safety of the community. Now, when he comes back from sick bay, I'll review this. And right,
Well,
I mean, he can bond out, but what I'm saying is for the time being, I'm gonna give a bond based on what we know. I'm not gonna turn a blind eye to it.
the only thing I'll say for the record, while I would agree, he is entitled to a bond at his first appearance. There is no law or statute that gives bond prior to first appearance as a matter of right. The only other concern, Your Honor, is should he post bond and be released, then the court could not impose any other release conditions.
I understand. So I'm gonna set this defendant's bond without prejudice. Count 1, 5,000. 2, 100. Count 3, the court's gonna set that bond at $10,000 for driving on a DUI revocation 5 years when he just got a DUI last year out of Miami. And I'll do it without prejudice. We'll bring him back tomorrow afternoon, and perhaps he can say some things, or we can see things that mitigate it. But for the time being, the court believes it needs to set that bond regarding not only the facts of the case, his criminal record, his DUI record, but the court has to be concerned about the safety of the community also. Friday p.m. on Mr. Matthews. Thank you. There you go. Okay, may I see Derek Thompson?
No. Well, I gotta take care of this case first.
Is he Derek Thompson, please? Do you have Derek Thompson over there?
North Broward.
Is that what you told me? Deputy Hardy?
North Broward, do you have Derek Thompson over there?
No, Your Honor.
No?
I'll look him up.
Okay, thank you. No, I guess he couldn't have bonded, right?
No, but he is bond eligible. This it appears this is a misbooking. It's not an armed.
I know, right. Okay. Thank you. So these are MOs right here. I guess we're waiting patiently for the cities to show up.
Could you get it?
Okay.
Could you dial Kim Farnsworth for me? I just gotta let him know.
Okay. Just
I understand.
okay. Just give me a.
Could you yeah, I'll do it.
Now.
Hey, Kim.
I'm gonna see Daniel Nelson, please. Daniel Nelson.
Angel.
Angel.
Okay, Mr. Nelson.
It's not connected.
Right. Mr. Nelson, just give us a moment, please.
Hold on 1 second. Your Honor, it's on Odyssey as being filed.
Okay,
Two-
Mr. Nelson, stand by one moment.
And also, Sheila, also, I'm sorry.
Mr. Nelson,
yeah,
I'm
and
looking
like-
at your
and-
case right now. Case number is 152477 CF10. I'm looking at a formal charge against you. It's an information. That's what we call it in the legal business, but I guess to the layperson, it's a formal charge. State of Florida versus Daniel Nelson. Count 1, criminal use of personal identification information. Count 2, grand theft. So, I'm going to look on the second page here. And with the third page, sorry about that. Right here. That formal charge was signed and sworn to by Al Gutman, and he did so on March 19th, 2015. So, so out of all the cases you had, all the counts you had, they filed on 2. So they didn't file on the other, I think you had over 165 counts. I think they only filed 2 counts on you from what I can see, right, State?
Well, it's been merged.
What?
It's been merged. It's not like there wasn't.
Right.
So the case filer looked and said, "Oh,
I know.
there's not
But
legal
what I'm
grounds."
saying is you don't have 150 counts. You have 2 counts now. So, anything from the defense? ROR, motion release, the defendant ROR will be denied. Your bonds will be adjusted accordingly in the jail. So you're going to be down, I believe, to probably $3,000 or $4,000 worth of bonds at this time. All right. Thank you.
Okay, all right, cool. I just wanted to make sure because that you're familiar. It's going to be adjusted. That's all I cared about. All right.
Criminal use of personal
Cool. All right. I
ID
just wanted to check
and
because we just
grand
handled it.
theft.
He denied the motion, so you're good. All right.
Today's the 19th. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. So just do me a favor, Chief. Please remind me tomorrow morning. We'll check again. Maybe there's just an issue with the NCICs, you know? Are you in tomorrow's?
Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay. If I come back, I'm not anything.
You're going to go in the misdemeanor document. I see Ray Denton. Mr. Denton, I've appointed an attorney for you, and I'm going to reset this case for your trial division. Thank you.
Leave now, right? Hold on. Put up the middle outside. He's one of ours.
Okay.
I'm right there.
Okay, now what about Marvin Permenter?
Your Honor, as a friend of the court, I can advise you that you ROR'd him on a felony case, 30-day felony case yesterday. So now this MO is what's holding him.
Okay, sir, can you stand by one moment? We'll be right back with you, Mr. Permenter.
No problem, Your
Yeah,
Honor.
we'll be right back.
Okay.
Did you find Derek Thompson up there, North Broward?
Yeah, Your Honor, he's in North. He's on his way down now. When he gets here, I'll run him right in.
Thank you. Thank you. We're gonna, the rest of the cases are all MO, so we're gonna stand down and wait for the attorneys to get here.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Bye.
Back on the docket now. We're going to do our municipal ordinance cases. Where's Thomas Lovell? Tom Lovell? Push the button. Hey, sir. So you're,
How you doing, Your Honor?
Good. Sir, count one is $500 on a violation of probation. Count two is a municipal ordinance violation. Are you working at this time, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Do you have any money in the bank?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm going to appoint an attorney, Steve Shade, for you. If we pled it out, I'm afraid it'd violate his probation again. So I'm appointing Mr. Shade today. Thank you, sir. Your bond's going to be $525, all right?
And Your Honor, I guess I would have to go to another. That charge is from 1997. It's a reckless driving, sir.
Right,
And
I
I've
understand,
served.
but Judge Levine here just signed the order for you to be your violation of probation back in December. So I'm going to let her take care of it. You'll see her on the 23rd, on Monday. All right? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
How about David Wilson?
David Wilson. Mr. Wilson, come on up, sir.
After Mr. Wilson, I need Jonathan Round, Sean Collins, and David Fitzpatrick. Please line up. Hi, Mr. Wilson. You have a municipal ordinance case for drinking in public. You want to resolve it now, plead no contest?
Yes, sir.
If you resolve it, case is over with right now. You're out of jail today. Do you need me to have an attorney appointed to help you make this decision, or can you go without an attorney?
I can go without it.
How do you plead, sir?
No contest.
I'll withhold adjudication. Good luck. Thanks. How about
Thank
Jonathan
you.
Rounds?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rounds, so you're charged with open container of alcohol, and would
Yes,
you
sir.
like to resolve it right now?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead?
No contest.
Do you need me to appoint an attorney to help you make this decision, or can you go without an attorney?
I could go without, sir.
Okay, I'll withhold adjudication. Thank you. What about Sean Collins?
Thank you, sir. You have a good day.
You too,
Morning.
thanks. Sean, open container of alcohol. Would you like to resolve it right now?
Absolutely.
All right, do you understand we're not going to have a trial? The case is over with right now?
Yes, sir.
Do you need me to appoint an attorney to help you make this decision on what to do?
No, sir.
How do you plead, sir?
No contest.
Yeah, I'll withhold adjudication. Thank you. How about David Fitzpatrick?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Hi, sir. Open container. No, sleeping on the beach. You want to work it out right now?
I would love to. I'll plead no contest,
All right.
Your
Do you
Honor.
need an attorney to help you make this decision, or can you go without an attorney?
I can do without, Your Honor.
All right. How do you plead, sir?
No
I'll
contest.
withhold adjudication. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, may I see Michael Fitta, Francis Robinson, and Angela McQuillan. There's Michael Fitta. How you doing, Mr. Fitta?
Right, how you doing, Mr. Elliott?
Good. Sir, count one open container, count two trespass. Do you want to work these both out today?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead?
Yes. No contest.
Do you need an attorney to help you make this decision, or can you go without an attorney?
I'll go without.
Thank you. I'll withhold adjudication. Good luck. And my favorite, Francis Robinson. How are you, Francis Robinson?
I'm doing fine, sir. Nice seeing you again.
Francis, it's always good seeing you. Now, remind me, who's your better half?
Ricky Ingram.
That's right. How's Ricky doing?
He's doing well. I make sure he takes his meds and mellows out.
You know, the last time I saw you was over at Publix over here, Francis.
Mm-hmm.
At lunchtime. All right. Francis, would you, you got a county ordinance for drinking in public. Would you like to resolve it right now, ma'am?
Yes, sir, please.
All right. How do you plead to this, Francis?
No contest.
Now, do you understand we're not going to have a trial? We're not going to, you're not going to have your day in court?
Yes, sir.
Now, do you need me to appoint an attorney to help you make this decision?
No, sir.
Okay. I'll accept your plea. I'll withhold adjudication. Tell Ricky I said hi, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, and God bless.
It's good seeing you. Take care, Francis.
You too.
All right.
God bless. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Okay, how about Angela McQuillan?
Northborough.
Hello, Miss McQuillan.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am. You're here for count one trespassing, two trespassing, and 3 is panhandling. And they're in different cities. Let me look here. Oakland Park. Count 2, I don't know. They could be Fort Lauderdale, and count 3 is, I'm not sure. Plantation, maybe, I'm not sure. Ma'am, would you like to resolve your cases today, Mr. McQuillan?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Plead no contest. They're all open. They're all over today. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you need me to have an attorney appointed to help you make this decision?
No, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm just going to order that you don't return to Lowe's. You can't step foot on the property. You can't be on their swale. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Do you need an attorney to help you make this decision, or can you go without one?
I can go with that one, thank you.
Okay, I'll accept your plea. You plead no contest?
No contest,
Okay, I'll
sir.
withhold adjudication. Good luck. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, I think that's a wrap, everyone.
One more?
Excuse me, Your Honor, North. Come on, come on.
Oh, yeah, Pimento. Sir,
Right, how you doing,
I think
sir?
yours is open alcoholic beverage. You want to plead it out right now?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to that charge?
No contest.
All right, do you need me to appoint an attorney to help you make the decision, or are you fine going without an attorney?
I'm fine with that. We're on without a charge.
Okay, I'll accept. You plead no contest, am I correct?
Right.
Okay, I'll withhold adjudication. Good luck, Mr. Permenter.
What about count 4? Am I still have to go to pretrial?
Yeah, you still have to go to pretrial, all right?
Who ordered that?
I don't know, but if there's somebody told you to go over there. And if you're not supposed to be there, they'll tell you, all right?
Right, that's supposed to be allowed by Judge Shearer.
Okay. Well, then you have to go over there. If she told you to have to go, you have to go, all right?
Oh, okay, no problem.
Take
so
care.
I'll be released today?
Yep, thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
He has to go to pretrial. I think that, no, Judge Shear did. Okay, is that, I think that's it. Thank you very much, everyone. Tomorrow's Friday. I'll see you back here sharp, 8:30 in the morning. Until then, we're out from 2:35. Thank you.